What's up, y'all? Today we're talking about these Quest games that will take your gaming experience to the next level. Now, virtual reality is really starting to go forward in this next generation within mixed reality. So let's go ahead and talk about some of these games, and I'm sure they're gonna be interested in one of them, especially if you're interested in the next format of gaming moving forward. Let's get it. So first, we're gonna talk about FPS Enhanced Reality. So you are your actual physical player in your home utilizing pass-through. You can set up your entire player area using the power of enhanced reality with a faster and ever improving setup. Choose a game mode and survive for a given amount of time to unlock new difficulties. And using this in your home, you can see everything that is going on. Now, when you're utilizing this on Quest, it is still very new, but it also gives you that augmented and mixed reality that we're all looking for, bringing real enemies. And I think that that's important. FPS Enhanced Reality gives you that first go around, that first overall look of what mixed reality can bring to us in the future, because having everything in your home, that just kind of helps us decide now, like, is Quest gonna be able to give us that boundary to really extend everywhere and allow us to utilize our feet in motion, utilizing the body estimation ETA to help with our body in really tracking and recognizing that, oh, this is kind of mixed in, you know, it's a blended reality and virtual reality. FPS Enhanced Reality does a really good job at providing all of that, and especially like FPS games, on top of just AI, you're actually to battle like actual people in your kitchen, in your home, in your workplace. Just, it really provides that thorough essence. Now, again, mixed reality is not really polished up yet, but this gives you a massive idea of where you're familiar with and the color pass through it can provide on a Quest Pro and possibly a Quest 3 coming up. And I feel that that really intrigues you, and it just brings a fun essence to your own environments and being able to be fully immersive. And it's next level, at least for what it is. You have to go in with an optimized mindset. It's not gonna be perfect right now, but just knowing that you'll have a great time. Next is Hauntify. So Hauntify mixed reality can be played in any type of building, including single or multi-story. Now, this is a horror game in mixed reality utilizing your home. Now, when I first saw this, I'm a huge person with just phasmophobia and horror in general. Virtual reality horror, pretty immersive and pretty scary when you check this game out. When you see that it could be in your stairs or in your office building, the host and the hunting, like the trailer's scary. Player must set up their play space, and you'll use the game's built-in features to enhance the experience. They wanted to give the player creative freedom to create a horror game and place props around their own environment. Some ghosts can be summoned in player-defined spawn points, and other ghosts can appear in completely random locations around your house. As you collect more relics, increasing dangerous spirits will be summoned. I don't know about y'all, but that sounds kind of like a phasmophobia in real life. So if you're a fan, this feature fully dynamic AI and is capable of navigating your house. The different ghost types will have different unique abilities. That sounds like phasmophobia in mixed reality. It's not going to be as great and as fully rendered, because phasmophobia is known as just flat screen gaming also, but this does an amazing job with that. Now, if you're a fan of FPS and horror games, but you don't want to get that scared like Hauntify, because Hauntify is like next level, Drop Dead the Cabin is getting a mixed reality mode also. Basically, it's going to be zombies, and the zombies don't look incredibly scary, and so it's far more arcadey than what we like to experience most if we're playing these games. So if you play Drop Dead Dual Strike, then you'll understand like how the zombies look. They're not really scary. It's just fun and immersive, and it was an off the rail shooter. So as now, this game is more of like a free roam, getting mixed reality. And actually, Zuckerberg shares this in his Instagram post with Drop Dead, having some of the zombies jumping through the actual windows in his immersive gameplay. Drop Dead the Cabin is a great game if you're into FPS, you're not an advanced VR gamer, and you're also just into something that's not your typical just let me go shoot like PvP military guys. Instead, it has a zombie appeal that's not too scary, where like a lot of ages can play. And I'd say that Drop Dead getting this mixed reality pretty soon is another way to level up your environment and use that augmented mixed reality, pushing through advanced experiences. And last but not least, I think probably one of the most overall polished ones, which doesn't really say too much, because mixed reality is still very much, nothing's perfect in mixed reality. A lot of it's very clunky still, but I'll say one of the overall polished ones will be Espire 2. Like, their choice of going mixed reality is gonna be huge. It says their mixed reality missions are coming as a free update to Quest. The stealth action game is getting a free mixed reality mode for Quest 2, Quest Pro, and Quest 3. Missions are deliberately focused and optimized for all environments, ranging from small areas to multiple rooms. Play as Tempest, an agent who must pass a series of mixed reality missions to earn their stripes and be cleared to pilot an Espire frame. Each mission is said to offer a variety of objectives and will also include enemies in the aspect of evolving, and where it's a journey that we're all going through together with mixed reality. Soldiers, bipedal mechs, electronic threats, and more that immerse you in just pre-alpha gameplay. So I would say that this is going to be a massive game to really look into if you want to take your gaming experiences to the next level. I was like, whoa, when I saw this trailer, I was like, yeah, this is great, man. Like, all the stealth action, it's stealth. It's not not as fast as what FPS Enhanced Reality does. FPS Enhanced Reality will be like your typical type multiplayer shooter. Hauntify is pure horror. Drop Dead is a mixture of both of FPS and some type of horror zombies. And then Espire is far more rogue, stealth in your own household, or just environment, not just the household, being able to do everything. So those are 4 games that I feel that should be very helpful in taking your gaming experience to the next level. When it comes to being immersive in virtual reality, mixed reality is going to be the way to go. Ever since Apple Vision Pro has announced augmented reality and mixed reality, horror games and shooter games are massive in VR and providing that immersion because the screen's all in your face and it gets very much, you can feel everything that's going on, in my opinion. So you definitely got to try that out. Those are games that you should look into. I'll link all the games and everything. Appreciate y'all, man. Y'all have a good one. Peace.